My holiday routine. On holidays, I enjoy my time and relax. I usually wake up at 9 o'clock in the morning because I don't have school. After I wake up, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and have a nice breakfast with my family. After breakfast, I sometimes watch TV or play games on my phone. I also help my parents with some work at home. Later in the day, I go outside to play with my friends or go for a walk. In the afternoon, I eat lunch with my family. After that, I usually take a short nap or read a book. Sometimes we go out to visit relatives or have fun in the park or the mall. In the evening, I enjoy watching a movie or listening to music. Then I eat dinner, take a shower, and relax. Before I sleep, I check my phone or talk with my family. I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. I love my holiday routine because I can rest, have fun, and spend time with the people I